Hi everyone, we are going to be making barbecue pulled chicken today, and I got my new Instapot and I'm super excited. Yesterday we made these stuffed peppers, so be sure that you take time to look through our YouTube videos and find the stuffed peppers. They really were amazing. And so here we go. I'm going to show you. It's super simple, and the Instapot's an amazing thing. As I say, I'm so used to a slow cooker. I don't even know what it's like to cook something in 15 minutes and have it tasty. So this is super great for all of you moms out there and super busy career guys and girls. This makes it super easy. All right, so here we go. Okay, so I've purchased organic chicken breast, and I just take the skin off of it. So skinless is more expensive. It's up to you whether you want to do that or not, but it's so simple to just take the skin off of the chicken breast. And I like to buy everything organic, hormone-free, no antibiotics. Boy, it really does make a difference. And if you've ever, felt, had a low immune system, had immune issues, you know that there's a lot of environmental toxins that are affecting us on a daily basis. So we got to get rid of all of that by buying things that are hormone and antibiotic free. Next up is we're going to take the chicken and we're going to put it in the Instapot. I'm going to put a cup of broth, and I like this organic Imagine free range chicken broth. So it's low in fat, low in sodium. And so I'm going to do a cup of that and put that in the bottom of the pan. And then I'm just going to lay the chicken breasts in here. And we're going to cover them with the barbecue sauce. Now, a couple of things you could try. I loved all the different flavors of the Walden Farms barbecue sauce, and remembering that just because something says 0 sugars doesn't really mean it's 0 sugars. So basically each serving size is going to be 0.9 for sugars. So each serving size has a carb in it. So we want to be really careful when we are doing things with Walden Farms products or any zero product that we are not overdoing the product size and getting extra added carbs and sugars going on in here. So I'm going to try to bring this closer here. So today I'm going to use Frank's Red Hot, and you can put as much of this on here as you like because this does not have hidden sugars in it. It's a great hot sauce. It makes like a buffalo chicken style. And so I'm just gonna I love spicy. So I'm going to put that on there. And then we are going to cover this up. And when you put the lid on, you wanna start over on the right-hand side. And you can hear the little zip here, and watch this. There we go. And then you want to turn this to where it says sealing, and that way you are in the right place. Okay, so we are done. Our 12 minutes is up. And then you always let it set for about 10 minutes. That gets rid of the steam and lets the pressure cooker come down. I always switch it over to vent. Be super careful when you do that. I usually use a little towel, but you want to make sure that you keep your fingers and hands out just in case the steam starts popping up, which it did to me the first time. As you can tell, I'm just new to this. I like to do everything by trial and error anyway. So here we go. We're opening it up. I've already looked inside the pot, so here we go. We're gonna open it up, nice and steamy inside. And just let's take out this smaller piece here and bring it out here. And then you can just take 2 forks and just kind of shred the chicken and to get that pulled chicken effect. And then you can, put it away. You can put it in a sandwich right away. You can add it to your salads, and it's going to have that nice texture there where you can easily add it to things, and super tasty. And you can see how moist it is. So I don't know if you can moist it is. Hopefully you can here. I'll bring in the camera just a little bit closer here, but you can see it's super moist. So anyway, thanks you guys for watching. I'm going to be adding a video that is going to be about how to make a pita wrap with the tomato basil ideal protein meal packet, and making a nice little pita that you can add your pulled chicken to and add some of your favorite veggies and make yourself a nice little sandwich. So I hope everyone's doing great today, and look forward to making sure that you subscribe to our channel. That's where you're going to get more videos and see more of us, get the most recent recipes. And I am going to be doing more Instapot. I love the Instapot. All right, you guys, have a good one.